Okay, let's see how we can set up the chessboard. This is the chessboard. We are looking how can we set up the piece on and the board. So it's very easy, but somehow if you're an amateur, it will be something like being hard a little bit. So let's see. The first one is the look. So then the look have to go here first at the bottom right end. So once you can see how it is, the look, it will be here. Then the second one is the knight. You can see how the knight is. So the knight will be placed here. So the third one is the bishop. You can see the bishop. So it will be placed here. Then the next one that will follow is the queen. So let me get the queen. So you can see the queen, how it is. So the queen don't have to be here. Why is it so? The queen will not be here because the queen is let me say light, is white, or let's say the milk. So it has to be on the same color on the cell. So here is not the color of a queen. So the queen will be here. So the queen must be placed on a cell that has the same color. That means that if I want to set up a queen for the black, I have to place it somewhere on the same color, as you can see. So since this queen is milk color, so I cannot set it here. I will push it here. Then finally, I will now place my king. I will now get my king and have my king here. So now I have set it up. I have to set the some of these things, they are in pairs, so I have to set their corresponding pairs to match. So this is the look. It will go to this end, and this is the knight. So the knight will go to this end. So this is the bishop. It will go here. I think it is done. So now the second row, this row now will be for the pawn. This is the pawn, all this small one. So all the pawn will match in here. So all the pawn has to match in here. Okay, so I think we are done setting up then the white. So all the pawn matching here. We are done setting up the white. You can see how it is now. So the other then player also will set up his own. So the other player will set up his own also in the same manner. So when you are good in it, setting up a chess, like then this black cannot go here because this is not the color. It has sorry, the queen cannot go here because this is not the color. It has to be here, as you can see it. So here we'll take the king. So I will now keep setting up this corresponding. So now, what did you notice? Let's say after setting up, you will see something. Think you will notice something. Okay. So we are getting done. So now we have it. So we have a complete setup of the chessboard or the checker. So now we have it. You can see that each piece is facing the same piece. So it is a mapping, one-to-one and onto. It is a homomorphism. So each piece has to map the same piece, queen and queen. You can see them. So once you get it right, and the game can go on. What else? You start making your move. So our next lesson will be how to make some moves. Keep on following us. Thank you.